For centuries, tales of fire-breathing dragons have captivated our imaginations. These fearsome creatures, with their massive wings and sharp claws, have been the subject of countless myths and legends. But what if these stories were more than just fantasy? What if dragons were based on real creatures, creatures that roamed the earth millions of years ago? Could it be that the dinosaurs, those magnificent reptiles we know from fossils, were the inspiration for the dragons of myth? It's a compelling idea, one that has sparked debate and speculation among scientists, historians, and storytellers alike. While the scientific community generally attributes these myths to a combination of imagination and the discovery of large fossils, some intriguing evidence suggests a more intertwined history. Could our ancestors have encountered living dinosaurs, inspiring the dragon legends passed down through generations? Join us as we delve into the fascinating possibility that dinosaurs, those prehistoric titans, were the real-life inspiration for the dragons of legend. Dragon stories appear in cultures across the globe, from the rolling hills of Ireland to the vast plains of China. These tales often share striking similarities. Dragons are typically described as reptilian, with scales, sharp teeth, and a powerful tail. Many are said to breathe fire or possess magical abilities.
Medieval European folklore brims with dragon tales. Beowulf, the epic Anglo-Saxon poem, tells the story of a hero who slays a monstrous dragon, Grendel's mother. In Norse mythology, the dragon Nidhogg gnaws at the roots of the world tree, Yggdrasil.
Asian cultures are equally rich in dragon lore. Chinese dragons are often depicted as benevolent beings associated with good fortune and prosperity. They are said to control the rain and are celebrated during festivals like Chinese New Year. In Vietnamese mythology, dragons are revered as divine beings with the power to control the weather.
These stories, passed down through generations, paint a vivid picture of creatures that bear a striking resemblance to the dinosaurs we know from fossil records. Could these tales be echoes of actual encounters with these prehistoric behemoths? The word dinosaur wasn't coined until 1841, when Sir Richard Owen, a British anatomist, recognized a distinct group of fossil reptiles. The word dinosaur itself means terrible lizard, a fitting description for these awe-inspiring creatures.
However, long before the term dinosaur existed, ancient cultures used other names to describe the large reptilian bones they sometimes unearthed. The word dragon, with its roots in ancient Greek and Latin, was often used to describe these creatures. To ancient civilizations, lacking the framework of modern paleontology, these skeletons were likely interpreted through the lens of mythology and folklore. Large reptilian skeletons, imbued with the mystique of the unknown, could easily be imagined as the remains of dragons.
This shared linguistic history suggests that what we now call dinosaurs might have been the dragons of the past. The creatures that inspired tales whispered around fires and carved onto ancient stones.
Further fueling the dinosaur-dragon connection are intriguing depictions found in ancient art and artifacts. Across the globe, our ancestors left behind intriguing images that blur the line between myth and reality. Ancient petroglyphs, carvings on rock surfaces, offer tantalizing glimpses into the past.
In Utah, the Natural Bridges National Monument features a petroglyph that resembles a sauropod, a type of long-necked dinosaur. While interpretations vary, the resemblance is striking and raises the possibility that early humans might have encountered these creatures.
Ancient Egyptian hieroglyphics also contain intriguing depictions of creatures that resemble dinosaurs. The Stela of Amenhotep III, for example, features a carving of a creature with a long neck and tail, reminiscent of a sauropod. These ancient depictions, scattered across the globe, hint at a time when humans might have shared the planet with creatures straight out of a myth.
The conventional scientific view places the extinction of dinosaurs around 66 million years ago. However, some evidence suggests that certain dinosaur species might have survived for longer than previously thought.
Fossil discoveries in recent decades have pushed back the timeline for some dinosaur species. Additionally, some scientists theorize that isolated populations of dinosaurs might have survived in remote areas, far from the cataclysmic events that wiped out most of their kin.
If dinosaurs did indeed survive for longer periods, it opens up the possibility of encounters with early humans. Could these encounters have been the inspiration for the dragon myths that resonate across cultures?
While more research is needed to confirm these theories, the possibility of a longer dinosaur reign is a tantalizing one. It adds another layer to the mystery of dragons and their connection to the prehistoric past.
The question of whether dinosaurs inspired the dragons of myth remains an enigma. While the scientific community generally attributes these myths to imagination and the discovery of large fossils, the compelling similarities in descriptions, the global prevalence of dragon lore, and intriguing depictions in ancient art leave room for wonder.
Did our ancestors truly encounter living dinosaurs? Did these encounters leave an indelible mark on human consciousness, inspiring the tales that have captivated us for generations?
While definitive answers remain elusive, the possibility continues to spark our curiosity and fuel our fascination with both dragons and dinosaurs. Perhaps as we continue to unearth new fossils and decode the secrets of the past, we will gain a clearer understanding of the true relationship between these magnificent creatures of legend and reality. Until then, the mystery of the dragons endures.